And good morning, brothers and sisters. It is 8:06 a.m. Central Standard Time on January 17th. We're taking a look at disclosure news, our Schumann resonance today in Russia, and it looks like we had a power of 19, and actually this is, 17. I would actually say it's not 19 because it shows updated on January 16th where they actually gave us our power, but I'm seeing higher than 19. 19 would be right about here. It looks like we're kind of powering through that. It looks like we're at 20, maybe even touching on 24. But when we come over here and we look at our Italian model is showing nothing at all, just one little spike here, a little spike there, nothing major. But look at this. What is that? What are these little loops that are coming down like that? I mean, our geophones are absolutely showing something. So what's going on here? I don't know. They might be a little screwed up. Go to spaceweatherlive.com. We're looking at our prediction chart for Enlil for our plasma intake. And as you can see, look at this. They're trying to be sneaky. They changed the numbers on us here. See, now that the chart goes from 20 and then up to 60. And it looks like we took about 22 to 25 centimeters cubed. They are trying to be sneaky. They do try to dink around with us sometimes. And this is what that's showing for us, which is a little odd. Oh, look at this. See, this won't even play. I have to tap on it in order to get it to do anything. Because it showed the curveball too easily. See how it's curving again? I still haven't fixed that. Curving. Curveball. And then we'll come down here to our Enlil one here. It shows that one quite well, but where's all the plasma from it? It looks like it's just this light little thing. No, it's not. Turds. Let's go check out European Space Agency's model of it. We're at Euphoria, and we can see it a little bit better. And once again, they have actually left it in there, being honest. There was something here that got pushed off, so it's not nice and curved like these ones are. And it's showing us currently right about here. So we got a little bit of a break, it looks like. Shows our other eruption there on the northern side right here. But I'm not seeing the other one, the one that looks like it's coming in our direction. But we'll have to get to that here in just a second. And I'll show you guys. It looks like it, but it's either coming right at us or it's going directly away from us. But they're not reflecting it yet. We have no new major reports for flares, with the exception of this one finally came down yesterday. This was our long-term C event. And it looks like we're getting up into C here right now, currently, actually. Yippee-ki-yay. Space Weather Prediction Center, it is showing the same thing here. It looks like our spike is coming up for our C flare. And we did have 2 notches on the red from the other day and came back down. And, yep, this just came up to KP4 and came back down. So we're actually in the good for KP index absorption, which is good. Let's go check our decibels of absorption for X-ray. Before we jump down to that, it looks like we have recovered with our shields. We're here dancing close together right here. So this is our current time. We're maybe at a 4 or 4. So we're actually holding pretty good. That's good. Now we come down here to our absorption chart. Time actually starts right at 13:51 UTC time and starts to increase. So that's basically 1:52 UTC time. And as we start to increase, we can definitely see it spike up, and that's when it ends. So right at 2:10. So that is current. Right now, that's within 2 minutes. That's within just a couple of minutes. So we'll see if it goes any bigger than the C flare. So if you're in South America on the East Coast, yeah, you guys are getting absorbed. Be careful. Over here at Seeds, what I was actually talking about a minute ago. This is the pop that I'm talking about. If we watch, we can see this coming off the left side, and we didn't see that there on either Euphoria or on Enlil, coming off the left side. And then look at this. What is that? Nice big round space ball. Maybe I'll just start calling them space balls. Oh, look. That's just pleasant. Now look at this in here. Look at this. It's coming off the top side, right up front. It almost looks like it's some form of a halo event. Look at this. coming right at us. Let's see if we can go carry over into today's and see what it does for us. On my way over there, I happen to notice, look at all these days where they've got Sechi beacon turned off, where they're not reporting it. Well, that's pretty rude. Let's go check out today's. And we'll pause it. Come up, and this is the beginning of today. So, oh, look at all that time missing. Well, we go from 0:24, or 36 rather, right to 4. So we're missing 4 hours and 12 minutes. They did not want us to see that happening. You think we got something inbound? I would like to think so. I mean, it looks like it to me. Oh, hey there, friend. How you doing? See his little Chill's little fla la 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 coming out behind him? Yeah. Of course you do. You ain't blind. I pointed out to you too. Making it easy. Now over at Lasco C2 and C3, we're going to start off on Lasco C2 right from midnight. Now here's what I want you guys to try and pay attention to. See this little guy here? We actually capture him in 3 frames. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Zoom, zoom. Got him on there. How you doing, buddy? Now that pop that we've seen with that something coming off the top of the sun, it looked like that big round object over there from seeds. Yeah, couldn't really see it much on this one. Maybe it was too close. Maybe the wrong ray of light that we're looking at. There's our little friend. Oh, look, our little signature trail. Boom, 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 boom. Right there. Yeah, buddy. Well, we don't really see him very well on Lasco C2, but Lasco C3... Oh, hey there, buddy. There's another one dive bombing. We can clearly see it right here. Yeah, I see it. So there was something there. It just didn't get close enough to the sun to where I actually needed to erupt it. It was just kind of roof, just getting pushed off by the vent. Like a vent? Why would our sun have a vent? I don't know. Just a thought. And as we go, we actually do see some friends all over. There's another friend right there. Hey, buddy. Just kind of appears and disappears as he wants. And here's our explosion. Oh, looks like we got another little buddy right here. And here's our pop coming off this way. Got another friend right up here. They're actually all over the place, but it's just easier to see it. Look at this. Here's another battle formation. Kind of curved this way. Actually looks like somebody must have just got blow up right there. Ooh. Hope it wasn't a good guy. And as we go, ooh, yeah, look at this. Action all over. Zoom. They're scramming out. Got another friend here. Uh-oh. It's the all-seeing eye. Watching what's going on there. Oh, from almost 1 o'clock to about 4 o'clock. So, yeah, there we go. There's a solid 3 hours missing. I just love it when they do that, don't you guys? Notice all of them here, like kind of a broken up battle formation this way. Huh. Yeah, here we go again. Another battle formation. Oh, got another friend here. Definitely got another friend here. Whoop, hey there, buddy. Little tic-tac looking guy. There's a little fla-la-la-la behind him. Very nice. Oh, we got another friend here. Goodness. Alright, now let's get onto something a little more not fun to cover. Currently have 2 buoys in event mode. One is down here in Tonga again, and another one here in Hawaii. They're the only 2 that are active that I've seen. And we come here. Oh yeah, we've definitely got activity going on. Got a couple of extra strikes. One again this morning, actually, right here. Look at that. Let's go view the details on these bad boys. Oh, wait a minute. Haha. Believe it or not, I actually got it pulled up already. It's this guy. Okay, Samoa. This thing is in event mode. Let's scroll down here. Oh yeah, that is a long-term event. Here's our main strike. And we can see how it came up. Yeah, so this is going to be very interesting, folks. Please pray for these people. There's over in Tonga and the islands, there's a lot of stuff going on right now. Our other hit point was over here in Hawaii. So let's go take a look at Hawaii. In Hawaii, we definitely have a strike here. Look at that dip. That was a large dip. Now, these are meters. Okay, now it doesn't seem like, oh, that's much of an event. Like, oh, that's just, it's not even 3 feet. Well, guess what that not even 3 feet did over on the east or west coast of California? And the large one that's heading into, what's it, Ecuador? Yeah. You see these buggers here and you're like, oh, that's not a big deal. Oh, yes, it is. Look at the tsunamis that are going on. I'm over here at Nick Thomas TV, and this right here is in Ecuador, heading towards Ecuador coast. These are boats, these are fishing boats out in the ocean. Watch this. Look at how high that is. See that? That's in deeper water. Imagine when it gets closer to the coast. And these are all fishing. Look at this. See how big that was? They're out in the water fishing, deeper in water. And there's another one on the backside, but look at this. There's the shoreline way over there. Imagine when it gets even shallower, how high that's going to be, and the devastation it's going to cause. Ooh, that's crazy, folks. And this right here is our event map. rsoe-edis.org event map. And this is one of the other reasons why I come here. The event map covers a broad range, so they don't get everything perfect, but they cover a broad range of things going on. And right here in Peru. So we saw that looked like a teeny little old wave, not even 3 feet, out here, from these buoys that were going off. And guess what it did all the way over here in Peru, across this big old pond? 2 people reported to this agency drowned by the abnormal high waves after Tonga volcano. Folks, people are dying. This is killing people. Please take notifications and warnings seriously. And don't be out there with your selfie sticks and cell phones trying to record yourself as a tsunami comes in. Whenever you see something going on in your area, take it for real. It is deadly. There's a lot of stuff going on. Look at this map. Look at it. Come over here and look at it for yourself. Check in your area. See what's going on in your area. There's so much going on that's just not good. Stay safe out there, folks. Use your heads, eyes open, and remember that love is the only way forward.